Last year I looked for an open-air ATX bench case to build a modest test system. Popular tech YouTubers like J2Sense and Paul's Hardware prefer the practice wet bench open-air bench case. I have two problems with that bench case. Too big and too expensive. The practice bench case is 18 inches by 19 inches by 17 inches and costs $200. I needed a bench case that was compact and costs a lot less. The Electric Magic Creative Personality Open Air ATX bench case is 11 inches by 7 inches by 16 inches standing up and costs $56. If you think assembling IKEA furniture is bad, try assembling this bench case. Before I deep dive into the Creative Personality bench case, I must mention that this video was not a paid promotion. I bought this bench case with my own money, and Electric Magic has no editorial control over this video. I also bought the Funko Pop collectible figures with my own money, and Funko Pop has no editorial control over this video. On that note, I do own a small position in Funko Pop stock. Amazon affiliate links for the items mentioned in this video are available in the description below. Every purchase price earns a small commission that supports my channel. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell to see more videos like this. Assembling the Creative Personality bench case requires serious IKEA furniture building skills. The back parts are in Chinese. The exploded diagram looks like a bad photocopy. And assembly requires using the included Allen wrench. It took a lot of experimentation to figure out how all the pieces go together. I rebuilt the bench case 6 times in 8 months before I got it into its final form. If you're interested in seeing how to assemble a similar bench case, check out Tech Everything's video. The link to that video can be found in the description below. I assembled a Creative Personality bench case with 2 additional but entirely optional tools. A 2-inch machinist steel square to keep the frame squared while putting it together. The motherboard could flat and break a trace inside the PCB if the frame was out of alignment. Broken traces make for a broken motherboard. The second tool was a 3-piece Allen wrench set. I recently misplaced the included Allen wrench before I found it again. Without the Allen wrench, you can't modify the bench case. It's good to have a spare Allen wrench on hand. The special modification I made was adding a self-stick, heavy-duty, half-inch wide felt strip to the bottom and back. The felt strip serves as footers for when the bench case is standing up or lying down. Without the felt strip, the frame would clatter on the tabletop. I used 50 inches of a 60-inch roll on 5 of the 9 bars in the frame. Here are the hardware specs for my test system. AMD Athlon 3000G with built-in video that I picked up for $50 last year. If you haven't seen my Black Friday / Cyber Monday haul video, the link can be found in the description below. G-Skills Ripjaws 5 8GB, 2x4GB, 2666 MHz DDR4 memory kit that recently came out of my editing system. Since I had red memory modules, I got the red version of the Creative Personality. I paid $70 for the ASRock B450 Pro 4 ATX motherboard back in January. An old ADATA 120GB SATA 3 SSD. The power supply is a 5-year-old Corsair CX500 500 watts that just came out of my Linux system. The newest addition to the test bench is the Be Quiet Dark Pro 4 air cooler. You may be curious as to why I have a massive 250 watt TDP air cooler on a tiny 35 watt TDP processor. Subscribe to my channel and have the notification bell turned on. I'll have a video about the Be Quiet air cooler coming out soon. The Electric Magic Creative Personality bench case is a good value at $56. If you don't mind assembling a 3D puzzle without any instructions and rebuilding it a half dozen times. Thanks for watching.